Sama, come on, come on. Everyone's waiting for you. Good day, fellow yummies, and welcome to another wonderful episode of Sequence.
Today we are going to do the famous cereal pancake everyone is talking about.
Alright, cereal pancakes are actually pancakes that are coin size, just like the size of a Cheerios. And we are excited to show you our version. So let's get on with it.
The ingredients are egg. You have to pour the egg in. The sugar. And now the salt. On this side, baking powder. Now we mix it. Look at that, looks slimy. Do you like slime like I do? Now pour the self-raising flour. And lastly, the buttermilk. While I mix, I will sing. Let me see what song. Don't fall asleep when I'm singing. Through the glass, over the hedge, follow the rainbow too, where my dreams begin.
Guys, before we get cooking, we need one more thing, which is
a piping bag.
Exactly, because we would want to get those coin-size shaped pancakes, and a piping bag will help you a lot. One tip for you on pouring the pancake mix into the piping bag is get a glass and open the piping bag and just put the tip here and roll it over, yeah? Here you go. So it's like this.
You can put it in.
So when you're pouring the pancake mixture, it doesn't tilt, it makes your life easier, right?
It's like getting a smoothie. Oh, it looks like a cardigan.
Yes, exactly. So don't fill it too much, and once you fill it up, just cut the bottom part and then we can start cooking. Let's go. Alright guys, whew, that seemed like forever cooking this mini pancake. Yeah, and she's already eating it. All I can say, it looks pretty good. The kids will definitely like it. The only thing I can say is what takes a bit of your time is the piping part. But other than that, when you do the presentation, yeah, it's a sure winner. Yeah, and for us to finish this off, you're still eating. For us to finish this off, guys, what we're going to put are walnuts, blueberries, and of course maple syrup.
My favorite.
Your favorite. So here we go.
Here's our cereal pancake. I'm ready to eat this in a minute, but before that...
If you like this episode, please comment below
What?
and hit the subscribe button, of course, and the bell. You will be notified of any new videos that we will upload.
And
right?
like?
And of course, hit the like button. Thank you for reminding.
Also share too.
Share. Share. Of course,
Share?
share with your family and friends. And we hope that you will do this recipe and post your creations on our Facebook page. Thank you very much. Until the next time.
Bye. Can I eat it?
Yeah.